We had
I'm
the
even more
same
confident at this
spawn.
point. You are.
Of course you fucking land on Israel the moment I don't fucking own it!
Ben, you sound like a fish.
You're gonna need a dinner reservation for two.
Son of a. Surprise is you get to pay me money.
Shut.
The surprise is you get to pay me more money.
Shut.
Alright, land on Israel, you've done a bad thing.
You done. You done.
You can't.
Ben, dap me up.
Man.
Pleasure doing business with you, brother.
Bro, what? You're gonna what? No, I'm getting it for 200. You know what? I'm actually gonna take that.
Oh,
Dude, Ben, I love that you landed on a $60 property, auctioned it, and then immediately bet $100.
Did you just? Oh.
Yeah, I said it before $4.
I'm sorry. I sneezed and I hit the. I sneezed. I'm sorry.
Right to jail.
Alright, fine, AJ, I'll take your stupid $500.
There's a reason. I swear to fucking God.
oh my god.
Stop. You.
Bing bang!
Statistically likely to land in New York.
Fucking fed mashing. I've never been a gambling man, but he's
Fucking stupid ass game.
You have $150 more billion.
That's not land on my property. You're gonna have to sell those.
All three of you have a monopoly. I want a crumb of monopoly.
Ding,
That was
bing, bing. You gotta bing bing on your ding ding. You know what I'm saying?